Alright guys, today we're going to be checking out a dual magnetic phone holder. Here's what comes in the box. This is a pretty cool holder because it's not only a holder but it's a stand for your phone. It shows you how to install the magnet. It comes with a magnet that you can, if your phone is not MagSafe, you can install this magnet on the back of your phone, and then like that you can use it. It brings a template. So you tape that on your phone, or you put it on your phone, and then it will fall on the center. You put the magnet that has 3M on the back on here, and then it will line up to your phone. It has dust cleaner or wipes to clean your phone before you install it, and it tells you here the instructions how to do it. It has two sides, all the things you need if you don't have a MagSafe phone. And this is super compact, small. Look how thin it is, and you can use it for your phone as a holder. So to hold it, it has an elastic band here, so you can see it. You just put your finger through it, and now it's a holder. Oh, forgive my messed up finger, but it's like that. Now you hold your phone like this, and then you can take it and make it into a phone holder that you can set up on your desk or anywhere. Like put it like this so you can see it. But yeah, you can just set it on here. Let's say you're gonna watch a movie or something, you can set up your phone here. You can put it sideways, you can put a portrait. So, and this part here has magnets too, so you can take it and stick it to your fridge or anywhere that has a metal surface, because of that, then you can stick it there. And that's another thing that this has going for it. Let me get a phone so you can see how it looks. So as you can see, I found a phone that is not MagSafe. It doesn't stick to it. I mean, it sticks to it, but it's not. It's because of the camera. It's not MagSafe. So I'll show you how you do this. So you take this and stick it on the center of your phone or your case, like that. Then you take this and put it in the middle of that. Then you take the 3M off your magnet, super sticky, and put it in the middle of the template, and there you have it. So now we have the magnet on the back. You can put it on your case too. If you have a case it's not MagSafe, you can put it on your case. This is an old phone, so I don't care putting it in there, but you can see it's super strong. It's not going anywhere. You can see I'm pulling. And then for the base, so put it here on my hand so you can see. Super steady. Remember, I'm doing it on my hand, so it's super steady. It's not going anywhere. You can turn it so you can see it sideways, portrait, and then you can stick it. If you find a metal surface, you can stick it on there and watch whatever you watch in TV or show like that. Definitely recommend it. Super strong, super easy to install. If you have MagSafe on your phone, you don't need to do all that, but I just wanted to show you. I'm telling you, it's super strong. So if you are looking for a holder for your phone that is 3-in-1, it's a base, a holder, and then it's a magnet for metal surfaces that you can record with. You can put this on a metal place and then record yourself if you want to. This is the one. Go get one. Check the brand. Definitely recommend it. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.